guys, welcome back. Today's video is my morning skincare routine. I am so excited to be filming this for you guys because I know how much you guys have been loving the skin videos that are on my channel. Before we get started, let me tell you a little bit about my skin. I have normal to oily skin. It tends to be a little bit more oily on days that are hot and humid. And then I also have dryness around my eyes. It appears on my eyelids mostly. It's all about figuring out what products work best for your skin and using them consistently. So that being said, I have changed a little bit of my daytime routine only because I wanted a routine that was more concise, a little bit easier to do. I think I have cut down on the steps. Maybe it's still pretty long for some people, but just do what feels right for you. And I hope this helps. If you have a similar skin type to me or are tackling some of the same problems, I hope this video is super helpful. Make sure you give this video a big like and subscribe if you haven't, and let's get started. Okay, so first things first, I always start my skincare in my morning shower, and that's when I do a cleansing routine. So I have been loving the CeraVe foaming facial cleanser. It's for normal to oily skin, and this is something that I just use in the shower. I take a pump, I apply it to my face, lather it up, and then wash it off. I think it does a great job of cleaning all that excess oil or product that might be remaining from the night before, and really keep the skin hydrated. It doesn't really dry out my face like certain oil controlling products would do, but I think this cleanser is a great drugstore option because it's filled with ceramides, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid, all of those which are going to be great for protecting the skin barrier, combating any redness or irritation you might be experiencing, and even hydrating the skin with the hyaluronic acid. It's going to do a great job. So this is an amazing option. I think this huge bottle is like under $10. If you are looking for a daytime or nighttime cleanser, I think this is a really good option. For my next step, I go in with the toner and a cotton round. I love the OleHenrikson Balancing Force Oil Control Toner. I think this does an amazing job of keeping my breakouts at bay, really tackling any future breakouts that I might be having. It also has some AHA complexes that will do like a gentle exfoliation to my skin, and it has salicylic acid to help for any acne that I might be experiencing. I wouldn't say acne, but breakouts. It also has like neem seed oil, which does a great job of hydrating the skin. And I think that this toner is probably the best for me. It may not work for everyone, but it does a really, really good job for my skin. This is probably my like 20th bottle, to be honest. I use this religiously. As you can see, it leaves this really healthy glow on your face, and it has this like nice cooling and tingling effect, which is so soothing in the morning. It just wakes up your skin. For my next step, I go in with a serum. I have been loving this serum from Frudia. It's their citrus brightening serum, and basically it's a vitamin C serum. It's at a very affordable price of I think around like $20. And I just take a pump and a half of this. This is probably my second or third bottle of purchasing this. I take it and I generously apply it all over my face. This vitamin C is great for a nice exfoliation to your skin. It brightens your skin, also helps with oil production. And if you're dealing with like sunspots and hyperpigmentation, this is going to be great for you to incorporate into your routine, especially if you're using sunscreen. Vitamin C and sunscreen together do an amazing job to protect your skin against any environmental factors or like pollution. Really provide those antioxidants to your skin for a really nice, healthy looking skin. So I just like to press it into my skin and give myself a nice massage, get that blood flowing, and really wake your skin up. It also smells like a bed of oranges. It smells so, so good. A bed of oranges? A basket of oranges? A box of oranges? I don't know what it's actually called. So the next step would be a moisturizer. You could use a very simple moisturizer in the daytime. One I've been loving is the OleHenrikson Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer. This one has like multi-fruit acids and antioxidants, and it's just really, really good and hydrating. Another one that I've been loving from OleHenrikson as well, I'm clearly partial to the brand. What I love about this one is it's the C-Rush Brightening Gel Creme, and the texture is a little bit more hydrating. It gives a nice glow to the face. It's vitamin C based, so it's great to use in the morning. If you see the consistency right there, it's like a nice like bouncy moisturizer. So we're going to use this one today. I would use this one, but this one is a more lightweight moisturizer, so I prefer to use this one right now just so I can really keep my skin nice and hydrated. I'm going to do a little concoction, so I'm going to take a tiny bit of the moisturizer, place it on the back of my hand here. I'm going to take my turmeric moisturizing oil. I have spoken everyone's ears off about this, and so many of you guys have purchased it and loved it, so I'm glad it's working for you. I do have a coupon code with them. I'll link it down below, but the turmeric moisturizing oil from Fountain of Purity is amazing. It's so multi-purpose and you can use it for literally everything. I use it for my face, my lips, my cuticles. If I'm having any dry areas like around my eyes, I pop it on my eyelids as well, and I think it does an amazing job. So I take the moisturizer on the back of my hand and I take about 2 drops of the Fountain of Purity, mix it in with my moisturizer. That is what I apply to my face. And you'll just see what a nice healthy glow. It keeps it so nice and hydrated. It's like double the moisture for your skin. And then whatever's extra, I will just apply to my own hands. Then I go in with an eye cream, and the eye cream is really optional based on whether you need it or what type of eye cream you're using. I am currently using the CeraVe Eye Repair Cream, and it's really hydrating. It's formulated to really tackle dryness around the eyes, and that is what I need. Like I mentioned, my eyelids are really, I guess sensitive, or I don't know what's going on, but I basically just take it on my ring finger, tap it under my eyes. I make sure not to drag or rub until the product is really soaked in. For me, applying an eye cream in the daytime is really crucial because I wear makeup, and this just helps fill in those fine lines, maybe hydrate the area so I don't have like a cakey under eye. If you just want to wear an eye cream at night, that's perfectly fine as well. And if you want to skip it entirely because you could just, you know, your moisturizer travels upwards anyways, you can skip eye cream. My last step of my face in the morning would be sunscreen. I like to wear sunscreen because I'm exposed to the sun frequently, either taking Kobe on a walk, maybe going out on my balcony, even just running errands. If you are seeing the sun, you should be wearing sunscreen. It's a shield for your face. It's probably the best way to prevent any signs of aging to your face. It's sunscreen. It doesn't matter which one you use, just make sure it has a higher SPF and that you will use it regularly. This is the Sheseido Clear Stick UV Protector. It's like a deodorant stick and it's clear. It goes on clear, but it looks really dewy. But I like this because I can just swipe it really easily on my face. I make sure to get all the areas of my face and neck. And then I take my hands and I just press that into my skin, make sure that it's really absorbed. And then I can carry on with wearing makeup or whatever I need to do. I find that this gives a nice glow under my makeup. It doesn't really make anything slip or slide. And if you want to reapply it to your skin, you just swipe it over your makeup and it does a fine job. I don't really wear heavy foundation or anything, so I don't know if it would work with makeup that's been, you know, put on a more heavier hand, but for what I wear every day, it's perfectly fine for me to just go over and swipe over my skin. Okay, so that completes my morning skincare routine. I hope this was really helpful. I will also link all the videos that are skin related on my channel down below in the description box. I think that's it from me. Don't forget to give this video a big like and subscribe, and leave me a comment. Are you going to be trying out a new product? Are you currently using something that I am? What are your thoughts? I love to talk about skin, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.